could be superstars. We've been rather wrecking cars.
April, is that Jambo?
What is at stake for us? Kicking up cold mirrors. Yeah, we could be superstars, but I'm pretty sure our time is up. And so we fell off the spinning tops.
Say you my nigga, I'ma be your killer. Nobody gonna play with you when I'm with you. Go against any nigga like fuck this glitter. Skeet all dirt on bitches. I put it in for you, I spin for you, whatever you will.
Anak, masasabi ko sa iyo, magtapos ka ng iyong pag-aaral. Nandito lang kami ni Mami para sa iyo. Magbabait. Wala na akong ibang masasabi. Basta lahat ng iyong gusto, nandito lang kami ni Mami. Happy birthday to you.
Castles and airplanes. I've been painting
7
pictures.
years old ka na ngayon. Wish ko sa'yo, good health palagi. Mag-aaral pang mabuti. Continue lang yung high grades mo.
Lately, I've been singing songs, playing numbers, throwing darts, folding bills and menus into paper.
Good afternoon po sa lahat. Maraming salamat po dahil nandito po kayong lahat. Halos po lahat ng in-invite ko ay tumati. Enjoy po natin tong araw na to para po kay Totoy.
I'm feeling so fine. It's gonna be my lucky day when the stars align and clouds have gone away. We're big enough to feel the Milky Way, and we're not afraid.
Tandaan mo lagi, nandito lang kami para sa'yo. At maging mabait ka, magdasal palagi. I love you.
Ang wish ko ay mas lalo pang maging masunurin, mabait, at saka mag-aral na mabuti. Happy birthday, Toy! Love you!
Today there's nothing stopping me. There are no red lights in the street. Open highways, there's no limit to my speed. Come and ride with me. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. This is the real life.
Happy birthday sa'yo!
Love you!
Love you!
Lucky day when the stars align and clouds have gone away. We're big enough to feel the Milky Way.
Kaya niyo po bang i-beat yung birthday count?
Happy birthday!
Natanong ko pa lang po kung ready ka na po. Huwag ka po excited.
Happy birthday, friend!
Every day will come and go.
I love you, Brand. I love you, Cassie.
Happy birthday, Brent. Happy birthday, Kuya Brent. Sana maging mabuti kang bata. Happy birthday, best friend. God bless and study well. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Brent, and eat fruits and vegetables.
Gonna fly around the world. Let everybody know my time is now. All my friends at home are pointing from the.
Lagi mong basahin yung ibibigay kong book sa'yo. I wish you good health. Galingan mo sa school palagi. A happy birthday and always be a good boy. Today is all yours, Brent. Have fun. Happy birthday. I know that you will have a great adventure ahead of you. May God bless you. A happy birthday.
This place is all I've ever known.
Pagpatuloy mo ang pagiging mabait na bata, masunurin sa magulang, at sipagan mo pa sa pag-aaral mo, at sana matupad lahat ng mga pangarap mo balang araw.
Sana pagbutihin mo din yung pagbabasketball mo para doon ka na rin sa school ko mag-aaral. Yun, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Toy! I love you!
Always remember na your family is always here to support you in everything that you want to be and want to achieve.
Happy birthday, Toy! Ito na yung gusto mong shoes. Sana matupad mo ang iyong dream.
Footwear ay
kasama mo sa iyong tagumpay. So kahit saan ka man pupunta, nandoon laging suot yung sapatos, tsinelas, kung ano man.
Happy birthday, Brent. Mag-aaral ka mabuti. Habang ako'y wala pang asawa, ikaw ang aking anak.
Continue to be a courteous, respectful boy. You're too intelligent as well, so always pray and thank God for all the blessings. So,
Magtatagumpay ka balang araw dahil ikaw isang batang mabuti. God bless you, bebe. Love you. Enjoy mo lang yung pagiging bata mo kasi hindi naman tayo lahat na enjoy yung pagiging bata. So, enjoy lang.
Magkaroon ka ng malakas sa pangatawan, huwag magkakasakit, at tupad lahat ng pangarap mo.
Wow! Bakit? Ang dami! Ano ang dami? Ang daming kalat! Hello, friend! Sabi ko dito sa kanya, I love you!
Happy birthday sa'yo!
Makikinig kay mami at kay daddy, kina mama at papa, kina mami Steph. Tsaka bawasan na yung pagiging malikot masyado. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy birthday!